Welcome back. We've got a special treat for you this morning, as you recognize, I'm sure, Chef Anthony, and then he has brought along a special guest, Anna Osborne, joining us from Pittsburgh High School here, cast member for Spongebob show coming up next weekend, and also a member of his Culinary Arts Club.
That's right.
Thank you, too, for coming in this morning. Now, we're going to be cooking something fun later this morning,
yes.
But right now we wanted to talk about Spongebob, the production itself. When is the show?
Next Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Thursday and Friday is at 7 o'clock in the evening, and Saturday it's at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay. And you said you were a member of the ensemble. Mm-hmm. What does that entail?
A lot of dancing, a lot of singing, a couple lines, and just a big presence on stage. Because there's some shows where it's just the leads on stage and you don't even notice the ensemble. But for this show, at least half of it is the ensemble work. You can see they have a presence on stage.
Do you have to adjust how you perform when you're trying to imagine yourself performing underwater rather than where you could normally breathe?
Not particularly, because fish have gills.
Very true.
And technically I am a fish, but it is a little bit the lighting is weird because it's under the sea, but it's not that different.
Okay. What are some of your funnest scenes so far that you've been working on?
The pirate song is so much fun. It's extremely a lot of exercise, but it's fun. And there's a couple of angry mob scenes where I just get to scream, and that's a great time.
I know you were in some productions when you were in Pittsburgh Community Middle School. Is this one of your first productions at the high school level?
This is my first production in it. I was on tech for Big Fish, but this is my first one acting.
What do you think of it so far?
It's fun.
Okay. Now let's transition over to something that you do on Wednesday evenings. You join the Culinary Arts Club. Mm-hmm. So tell me a little bit about that.
Well, we get there after school, and we sign in, and it's kind of a big thing because there's so many people, but sometimes we'll do multiple projects where there's one table they're doing a demo, and then one table they're preparing for his show in the morning, and we just have a good time. It's a little crazy because culinary people are weirdos, but
is that much different than theater people?
No, it's not. It's truly not.
I think that it takes a very special person to be able to pull off theater. I don't think I could do it, but definitely when a theater person says that you're weird, you're definitely weird.
That's what I was thinking, exactly. So what does it mean to you to have students that are involved so heavily in one organization, after school organization, still be a part of your culinary club too?
It's great. It brings a whole new energy. We had our fundraiser at Panda on Saturday, and Anna was our drag-in, and she was out there dancing and having a good time and taking pictures with kids and parents. It was a wonderful experience. And without having students that are involved in other programs, I don't think we would be as successful as we are. The theater kids bring a whole new excitement and energy to the program. The students that are part of Debate and Forensics do a lot of planning and organization of events. The business students, they keep track of everything that we want to do, how we can make it happen. So if it wasn't for all the different organizations inside of the school, I don't think we would be successful at all.
Now, real quickly, tell me what we're going to be making coming up on the KOA Morning News on Fox 14.
So we're going to take my crab cake recipe, and we're going to put a little twist onto it. We're going to make it a little bit more budget friendly for those who are really trying to watch their budget and how much they're spending. So instead of crab, we're going to use chicken to show you just how easy it is to convert it over to something else. And you can do chicken, you can do tuna, you can do canned salmon, you can do just about anything that you want, but the base of the recipe will stay the same.
All right, well, we are out of time, so we better go to break, and we will see you back here on the KOA Morning News on Fox 14. Please stick around. We'll be right back.